Hello everyone. In this video we are going to handle PostTooLargeException. But first, what is this PostTooLargeException? Let me give you an example. Suppose you have created a really simple form to upload a file. Something like this. It's just select and upload a simple file. Now let's choose a file. First, we will choose a smaller file to make sure our functionality is working fine. Let's choose this 1.7 MB file. Submit. And here is our success message. Now let's choose a bigger file. Here is 14 MB file. Let's upload it. Submit. And here is our PostTooLargeException. So what is the meaning of this exception? It means that the posted data is larger than the specified limit in our php.ini file. If you read the warning on the top of the page which says post content length of 14 plus bytes exceeds the limit of 8 plus bytes. Now let's handle this issue. But first we will open our php info, localhost, php info, and try to find post max size. Here it says 8 MBs, and also upload max file size. It's also 8 MBs. Now let's open our php.ini file to make the changes and get rid of this issue. php.ini, find the values, post max size 8 MBs, let's make it 100, and upload max file size, make it 100 as well. Now let's restart our server. Our server is restarting. Our server has restarted. Let's close this one and refresh the page here. Now it says post max size 100 MBs and upload max file size 100 MBs. As you can see, our new configurations are in place. Now all we need to do is to restart our PHP artisan server and upload the file again. So let's stop our server, restart our server, get back, refresh, choose the same file again, submit. It seems that we are still not out of the woods yet. Now why did this happen? It is because when you launch the file using XAMPP server menu, it is always launched from the Apache directory instead of PHP directory. Now let's open the file from the PHP directory and fix this issue once and for all. Jump to bin, PHP. My current selected version of PHP is 7.2.25. Let's go to the same directory, open the file using Notepad++. Let's find post max size. It says 8 MB here. Let's make it 100 MBs, and the other one is upload max file size. Oops, spelling mistake. It also says 8 MB and make it 100 MBs. Close this, restart our server. Our server has restarted. Now let's restart our PHP server. Stop and PHP serve. Now let's get back to the form, refresh, same file again, upload, and we have the successful message. Please keep that in mind that if you are making any changes in your PHP configuration file, you also need to restart your PHP artisan server. Otherwise, Laravel will not recognize their new changes and keep working with the previous ones, giving you an error. Thank you for watching.